most important thing for me has always been to turn dreams into memories. And sometimes there's this moment when I look back and wonder, is any of this real? When I reclaimed my dreams, everything changed for me. Everything we do in pursuit of happiness. That's it, isn't it? And at the same time, we stand in our own way. All of us have two fixed dates: date of birth, date of death. And life is everything in between. Most people work 5 days to live for 2 days on the weekend. But is that really living? The simplest way to change my life was to completely change it. Simple as that. So, I needed a tool and a clear path to implement exactly that. It's about giving time a meaning, and not tomorrow or next year. Time is running out. Every second, every minute. It is the most valuable thing we have. What others think has actually never mattered to me. I want my own world, created through dreams that in my reality would surely one day become memories. And today I know family and friends are the most important. Trust and genuine connections cannot be replaced by anything. That's why it's time to turn dreams into memories. To live the moments and forever preserve them. Welcome to now. Do you have enough courage for the next step?